Welcome, Hydrohaven community. Today we're tackling one of gardening's most challenging yet rewarding projects, bringing dead soil back to life. Whether you're facing neglected garden plots, construction-damaged earth, or nutrient-depleted land, this guide will walk you through proven methods to transform lifeless dirt into thriving, fertile ground. Healthy soil isn't just dirt. It's a complex living ecosystem containing billions of microorganisms working together to support plant life. When soil dies, it loses microbial life, organic matter, structure, nutrient cycling ability, and water retention capacity. Dead soil typically appears pale in color, forms hard crusts, lacks earthworms, drains poorly or too quickly, and resists plant growth. The good news is that these problems can be reversed with the right approaches. Part 1. 5 powerful crops that restore dead soil. Daikon radish, the natural soil drill. Daikon radishes develop massive taproots that penetrate 1 to 2 feet into compacted soil, physically breaking through hardpan and dense clay. These biodrills create channels for air, water, and future plant roots. When the radish dies and decomposes, it leaves behind these channels plus organic matter deep in the soil profile. They also excel at nutrient scavenging, pulling nitrogen and other nutrients from deep soil layers that would otherwise leach away. Plant daikon radishes densely in late summer or early fall, then let them grow until winter kills them or terminate before flowering in warmer regions. The key is letting the roots decompose in place. Many gardeners report being able to dig with their bare hands in soil that previously required heavy tools after just 1 season of daikon decomposition. Crimson clover, the nitrogen factory. Crimson clover forms symbiotic relationships with rhizobia bacteria, creating nodules on its roots where these bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into plant-available forms. This process creates natural nitrogen fertilizer exactly where plants need it. Its extensive root networks help break up the top layer of soil while its crimson flowers attract beneficial pollinators. Sow seeds in early spring or fall, ideally inoculated with rhizobium bacteria when planting in poor soil. When flowers fade, either cut the plants down as mulch or turn them gently into the topsoil. A single season of crimson clover can add 100 to 150 pounds of nitrogen per acre, equivalent to synthetic fertilizer but with all the soil-building benefits. Sunflowers develop robust taproots that drive downward with impressive force, breaking through compacted layers. Their extensive lateral roots create networks that loosen soil in all directions while forming beneficial partnerships with mycorrhizal fungi. Sunflowers excel at extracting nutrients from poor soil that other plants can't access, particularly phosphorus and potassium, concentrating these nutrients in their tissues. Sow seeds after the last frost, choosing larger varieties for maximum soil penetration. After flowering, either leave plants to decompose on the surface or chop and incorporate shallowly into the soil. Sunflower roots produce compounds that make phosphorus more available to plants that follow them, particularly valuable since phosphorus deficiency is common in dead soil. Buckwheat, the rapid soil transformer. Buckwheat grows incredibly quickly, often flowering within 4 to 6 weeks, producing extensive fine roots that break up the top 6 to 8 inches of soil. Its roots exude acids that dissolve otherwise unavailable phosphorus in the soil, making this critical nutrient available to plants that follow. This function is particularly valuable in dead soil where nutrients are locked in unavailable forms. Sow seeds fairly densely and cut down plants when they begin flowering but before they set seed. Either leave the material as mulch or turn it shallowly into the soil. Buckwheat can transform soil structure in as little as 4 weeks, faster than almost any other crop, while its rapid growth smothers weeds. Comfrey, the permanent soil medicine. Comfrey develops massive root systems that can penetrate more than 10 feet into soil, gradually breaking through layers of compaction while mining minerals from depths most plants can't reach. Above ground, it produces abundant leafy growth rich in potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. As a dynamic accumulator, Comfrey concentrates nutrients in its leaves at levels 2 to 4 times higher than average garden plants. Plant root sections 2 to 3 inches deep and 3 feet apart. The Russian Bocking 14 variety is recommended as non-invasive. Once established, cut leaves 4 to 5 times per growing season and use as mulch directly on poor soil areas. A single planting can continue improving soil for over 20 years, making it an endless source of free, sustainable fertilizer. Bringing dead soil back to life represents one of gardening's most rewarding journeys. The transformation happens gradually but with increasing momentum as natural processes reinforce each other. Work with nature rather than against it. Focus on biology first, keep soil covered, minimize disturbance, and be patient but persistent. The soil beneath our feet represents one of Earth's most complex ecosystems. By understanding how to restore it when damaged, we create more productive gardens while healing the planet itself, one plot at a time. If you found this guide valuable, please subscribe to the Hydrohaven YouTube channel for weekly content on regenerative gardening practices. Share this video with fellow gardeners facing soil challenges. Together, we can transform dead dirt into living soil across backyards and communities everywhere. Drop a comment sharing your own soil restoration experiences or questions, and join our growing community of regenerative gardeners making a difference from the ground up.